Hello, today we're going to be doing a little bit of industrial wiring. I have two start-stop push buttons, I have a 120-volt coil relay, and I have two light sockets. My ladder diagram, I have L1 120-volt live wire, and I have the grounded conductor. I put the stop buttons in series like this, and I put the start buttons in parallel with an open contact like this. It's the relay coil right there. And I have the two light bulbs down here, one on a normally closed contact, and I have one light bulb on a normally open contact. Stop buttons in series, start buttons in parallel with a normally open contact up here, and then the other end of the start button goes to this coil, and then this goes to the grounded conductor. I have L1 120 going to this normally closed contact, and up here this light into the grounded conductor. And I have L1 120 going to this normally open contact and up to this light into the grounded conductor. So let's wire this thing up. So let's take all these covers off. Stay in there. Take all these covers off. These off to the side. Take the covers off of these switches. Push buttons, whatever they're called. Don't lose these screws. Put the screws in the safe place. Take these covers off and stick the screws right back in so you don't lose them. I always stick the screws back in there. Put these off to the side. Always put your screws back in here so you don't lose them. And there you have it. Time to start wiring. Here you can see I have the white conductor going to the grounded side of the relay coil, and I also have it going up to the lights. Here's how it's wired. Power comes in here, it goes up to the normally open and normally closed contacts that go up to the two light bulbs. Stop buttons are wired in series, and they connect to the start button up here through this little jumper right there. There you can see how it is, there's that little jumper there. Start buttons go in parallel up to this normally open contact here. The normally open contact also connects to the coil for the relay. And like I said before, here's your grounded conductor going up to the two lights and the coil for the relay. Yeah, down here amongst all this electrical crap, I have two extension cords ready to be plugged into two different outlets on two different circuits. I have L1 right here, and I have L2 right here ready to be plugged in. What they do is they come up here to that weatherhead, and then I have them coming over here to this dryer outlet and down to my meter socket. I have the industrial wiring circuit plugged into L1 in the meter socket right here. Yeah, that's not even moving at all, very slowly. Well, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I hope you learned something.